So it appears that Christian Bale has invested in Gamestop. Well, not really, but the guy that Christian Bale portrayed in the movie The Big Short about the 2008 financial crisis, Michael Burry, he has recently taken a long position, which means he has bought 3% of GameStop through its stock shares. Um, Crazy. Now, if you don't know who Michael Burry is, he was one of the few people in the 2008 financial crisis to make a ton of money when the market fell off and mortgages went under. Uh, Now, him buying GameStop stock is kind of surprising to me, to be honest. I don't think that this guy is some mastermind who can see all of the trends coming, but it really is interesting that a guy like him would decide to put so much money into this company. And it appears now that his shares so far are worth $62.4 million. So he's got $62 million in GameStop, betting on its comeback, betting on the stock to go up in the future. This, of course, led GameStop stock to go up 20% the day that this happened, the day that the news came out. And of course, a lot of people were confused by this. And the reason why Michael Burry says he is investing in GameStop is because he says their balance sheet, the amount of cash they have, is actually pretty good. And he also thinks that the fear of streaming services is really overplayed in this market and that the retailer is going to be just fine, especially since the new Xbox and PlayStations are going to have physical media discs. So he believes that the next generation of consoles is pretty much going to uh, propel GameStop forward and put them in a better position in the future. Uh, as far as my takeaway from this, once again, I guess we'll see. He was right about 2008. I don't know if he's right about this. There's plenty of investors that make huge mistakes and lose a lot of money, and sometimes they are right and they end up making a lot of money. But really, I think for him, this is just a speculation play. I don't know. Maybe he sees something that nobody else or none of us see. It's very possible. I mean, he does run an investment firm, so they could have some insider information. But for GameStop, this is, this is good. They've got an investor who is interested in buying stock in their company. So this is great news for GameStop. So someone's got some faith in the company. But whether or not this is actually going to come to fruition, whether or not the stock is going to go up and GameStop is going to survive, I guess only time will tell. So, with that being said, what do you think? Do you think that this guy's got some information that GameStop is actually going to be just fine and, in fact, is going to increase in value in the next couple of years? Or do you think this guy is just kind of full of it and he's making a mistake? Um, so yeah, anything that you think, leave a comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more. And that's it.